How did LGBTQ plus advocacy groups win landmark Supreme Court cases? Imagine a world where laws discriminate against people just for who they love or how they identify. Now, think about how brave groups fought back to change that. That's what these advocacy groups did to win big court victories. They used the Constitution as their shield, especially the 14th Amendment, which promises everyone equal protection and fair treatment under the law. It all started with small wins like 1, Inc. v. Olesen in 1958. This case was the first time the Supreme Court said LGBTQ plus media could not be censored as obscene. It was a big step because it recognized LGBTQ plus expression in public. Then came Romer v. Evans in 1996. The court struck down a Colorado law that stopped protected status based on sexual orientation. The court said laws that target LGBTQ plus people for unfair treatment violate the Equal Protection Clause. This case made it clear that LGBTQ plus individuals deserve the same legal protections as everyone else. In 2003, Lawrence v. Texas changed the game again. The court invalidated laws that criminalized consensual same-sex sexual activity. They said that privacy and liberty are protected by the Due Process Clause. This ruling told governments they cannot interfere in private adult relationships. Then in 2013, the court heard United States v. Windsor. This case challenged the Defense of Marriage Act, which said marriage was only between a man and a woman. The court decided that denying federal benefits to legally married same-sex couples was unconstitutional. This was a major step toward federal recognition of LGBTQ plus marriages. Finally, in 2015, the Supreme Court made history with Obergefell v. Hodges. The court ruled that bans on same-sex marriage in states were unconstitutional. This decision made marriage equality a nationwide right. LGBTQ plus advocacy groups succeeded by combining legal skills, personal stories, and constitutional principles. They built strong cases in lower courts and brought them to the Supreme Court, often working with civil rights organizations. Their efforts led to access to marriage rights, workplace protections, housing fairness, and privacy rights. These victories set important legal precedents that continue to support LGBTQ plus rights today. They showed that challenging unfair laws with solid legal arguments and real-life evidence can lead to historic change.